This is the United States Drug Enforcement Agency. We are ordering you to land. All right, boys, let's land.
American made. It's just so crazy. You know, the world is so crazy, and it has that spirit of this outlaw.
Moving. Okay, marker. Plane's good. We're ready.
Tom, he's really committed to this character, Barry Seal. So there really was never any question that Tom was going to be doing all his own stunts. Probably the most adventurous and dangerous thing we did in the whole movie was we shot a sequence where Tom lands the airplane outside our house in Atlanta. And of course, Tom was like,
let's do it, let's do it.
3, 2, 1, action!
For this kind of movie, this kind of character, we want to shoot the scene practically.
I just heard brakes, and I waited a second. We didn't slow down, so I was like, all right, I'm going to hit him.
We just wanted to imbue it with the spirit of who Barry Seal is and what this world is.
Oh, shit! I was like, is something wrong? Oh, no, I was acting.
Hey, Mark.
Tell me now, and show me how to understand.
There are moments where you're just sitting there going, are you serious?
This your yard?
It's absolutely outrageous.
You never saw me.
if I were in that scene, it would be powdered sugar.
Yes.